Hi guys, this is Mrs. Novello in the Expressive Arts Room, and today I'm going to talk about our Keep Calm parody and imprinting the image onto our homemade scratch art. So by now you've printed out your Keep Calm parody poster and you've created your own personal scratch art, and now we're going to imprint it. So how we do that is we simply just lay our poster on top of the scratch art and we secure it with paper clips. And I have two. I paper clip the top and bottom, and that should do it. You can use more, but I think two will get the job done. And you'll want to make sure that it is centered directly onto your scratch art so that your poster is centered. Now there's a couple things that you have to be aware of before you get started. First, we're going to be scratching away the black paint, and it will reveal the color that you colored on. So with our poster, everything that's black is going to remain black. We are going to be scratching and removing all of the white areas. So that means we need to outline all of those white areas, which means that we have to outline the white areas around our text, and we need to outline the white areas around our symbol. So let's get started. Personally, I prefer a pencil over a pen because you have to press really hard to imprint your paper. Pencil, I feel, is the best choice. So what you want to do is you want to simply outline each symbol or each text. So as you can see, I've outlined this exclamation point, and before I go further, I want to lift up my paper and see, did it imprint? Can I see it? And if you can see it clearly, you know that you're pressing hard enough, and if you can't see it, then you know you need to redo it, apply more pressure. Now, don't apply so much pressure that you're going to tear the paper. That wouldn't be good. All right, so you're going to continue outlining your text. You want to make sure you're staying on the outer edge of the black because you don't want to make these letters any skinnier than they are. You want this lettering and the font to look consistent, so you're just outlining the outer edge of the black of each letter. So once you're finished with your letters, then you're going to outline your symbol. Again, you're going to need to outline the white areas. So that means you're going to outline the outside of your image because your image should be black and you're outlining the white areas. You need to outline the white areas within your image. And if you have a lot of black details, like I have a lot of itty bitty black details, I may make a judgment call and say, you know what, I'm just going to roll with it and maybe not outline all these itty bitty tiny black details just to keep it simple. So you can use your best judgment for the details within your image to decide, do I need to outline it, do I need to include it, or is it fine? So once you're finished imprinting all of your text, all of your symbols, all of your images, then we will move on to scratching, and that will be our next video.